Car Microfiber Towels safely clean, dry, and polish surfaces without scratching, preserving paint and finishes. My today's video is about top 5 best car microfiber towels that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Aidea Car Microfiber Towels. Aidea all-purpose microfiber cleaning cloths are premium quality towels designed for exceptional performance in every cleaning task. Super absorbent, they quickly wick away water, liquids, and spills, making them ideal for safely removing dirt and grime from any surface. Whether drying your car, wiping countertops, or tackling household messes, these towels keep you dry and efficient. Ultra-soft and lint-free, Aidea microfiber cloths ensure a scratch-free cleaning experience on paint, glass, coatings, and delicate surfaces. They handle grease, dirt, and grime effortlessly, leaving surfaces spotless and shiny. With remarkable durability and reusability, these towels can be washed and reused hundreds of times without shrinking, losing shape, or reducing cleaning power. Designed for convenience, the towels come in 5 colors for easy task coating, making them perfect for polishing, dusting, or drying. Versatile and safe for use with just water, Aidea microfiber cloths are essential for cars, kitchens, bathrooms, and general cleaning, combining long-lasting durability with professional quality results. Now our second product is Chemical Guys Car Microfiber Towels. Chemical Guys Professional Microfiber Towels, Mic 35303, are premium 16x16-inch cleaning cloths designed for car enthusiasts and professional detailers. Made from a plush, high-quality microfiber blend, these towels gently lift dirt, dust, and debris without scratching paint, glass, chrome, or interior surfaces, making them ideal for delicate finishes and sensitive detailing tasks. Durable and reusable, each towel features strong stitched edges that resist fraying, ensuring long-lasting performance even after repeated washes. The high-pile fibers are highly absorbent, quickly handling water, polish, wax, and cleaning sprays while minimizing streaks and spots. This makes drying, buffing, and detailing faster and more efficient. These versatile towels are perfect not only for automotive use but also for household cleaning or pet drying, providing an all-in-one solution for multiple tasks. Each pack includes 3 professional-grade black towels, allowing you to assign them for interior cleaning, drying, or polishing. With Chemical Guys microfiber towels, you get superior absorbency, scratch-free cleaning, and long-lasting durability in one essential kit. Our third product is Aidea Car Microfiber Towels. These ultra-plush microfiber cleaning towels are a must-have for car enthusiasts and detailers seeking a scratch-free, superior cleaning experience. Each towel features a dual-sided design. The plush side effectively removes dirt, while the soft side is perfect for polishing, buffing, waxing, and finishing, leaving your vehicle spotless and gleaming. Made from 85 polyester and 15 nylon, these towels are highly absorbent and lint-free, soaking up water instantly without leaving streaks or residue. They're versatile enough for use on cars, motorcycles, trucks, appliances, worktops, or office surfaces, providing reliable cleaning with or without water. Designed for durability, the towels feature reinforced stitched edges and can be machine washed up to 500 times, making them a long-lasting and cost-effective solution. Measuring 40 by 60 centimeters, 15.7 by 23.6 inches, they offer generous coverage for efficient washing or detailing. This pack of 6 ensures you always have a fresh towel on hand, making car care, household cleaning, or detailing effortless, convenient, and professional quality. Now number 4, the Rag Company Car Microfiber Towels. The Rag Company Premium Hybrid Twist Loop Microfiber Towels are professional-grade drying towels designed to make car care faster, safer, and more efficient. Featuring a patented twist/plush fiber design, these towels quickly draw moisture away from surfaces, making them one of the most absorbent towels by weight, over 10x more than many standard towels. Constructed from 100 South Korean AA-grade split microfiber, these towels are ultra-plush, softening with each wash while maintaining durability for hundreds of uses. The 70/30 microfiber blend at 900 GSM, combined with the trademarked Buttersoft suede border, ensures gentle, scratch-free drying on paint, glass, and plastic. Available in multiple sizes, they handle every task, from small nooks and crevices to large panels and windows, offering unmatched versatility for car detailing. Trusted since 1999, the Rag Company delivers America's premier microfiber products, providing high-quality towels, rags, chamois, and detailing tools for professional and at-home enthusiasts. These hybrid twist loop towels elevate car drying to a safe, fast, and luxurious experience, leaving vehicles spotless and streak-free. And our last choice is Chemical Guys Car Microfiber Towels. Chemical Guys Professional Grade Microfiber Towels, Mike_507_06, are premium, ultra-soft towels designed to deliver a streak-free, swirl-free finish on all your detailing projects. Perfect for safely removing wax, sealants, and quick detail sprays, these towels work effortlessly on paint, glass, and metal without causing scratches or leaving lint behind. Safe for all surfaces, including clear coat, chrome, glass, plastic, and interior areas. These towels are versatile enough for any car wash or detailing task. Their ultra-absorbent high-pile fibers soak up water, cleaners, and detail sprays efficiently, reducing the number of passes required and leaving surfaces spotless, durable and reusable. Each towel withstands hundreds of machine washes without losing softness or absorbency, making them a long-lasting investment for both professional detailers and car enthusiasts. This 6-pack of large 24-inch by 16-inch towels provides ample coverage for drying, buffing, and product removal. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, and even household cleaning tasks, these Chemical Guys towels are a versatile and essential addition to any cleaning kit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.